Hello, my cinnamon toast crunch. I just finished a run and I was thinking about you because when I was out, there were all these flowering trees and just running through them made my nose start to tickle. Oh my gosh, I kept needing to sneeze. I still haven't stopped. I was gonna oh god. I was gonna get out my phone and record me sneezing in the park where I was running. Oh, sorry. Anyway, I was gonna take out my phone. I was gonna take out my phone and record my fit, but then there were people around and I got shy. I'm sorry, baby, but I thought I could at least share the tail end of the fit with you, so I think it's done. Oh, maybe not. I could tickle right back here. I don't know. Oh, it's playing with me now. Baby. Like right here. Oh. Oh, that made my nose tickle right here. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, it's tickly. Oh my goodness. Oh, I might sneeze. Oh god, false starts. It's so frustrating. It's teasing me, babe. Oh. Oh god. Okay, I think. Oh, I was gonna say I think the tickle's finally gone. Oh, baby. I think. I think just the thought of you makes me want to sneeze. What do you think of that? Oh my god. Oh, another one's coming. Oh, god. You see? I'm thinking of you.